Hey there, what's up peeps? I'm N107 and today I got an interesting Indiegogo video for you. It is part of my series of the Indiegogo surfing where we go all over Indiegogo and look at the products that look most promising and that need a bit of a digesting done to them. So get in your seats, strap on, and let's get down with the WalkingPad S1, which is literally a foldable treadmill. Let's go. WalkingPad S1. I like the design, guys. It looks pretty decent. The audio is a little weird on this video. Noise reduction. That's what's interesting, the feet and the folding. What do you guys think? Wait. No. Dude, there's no way. There's no way. Okay, there's an app for it. Of course, there's got to be an app. Exercise while watching TV, and what else? 3D modeling, drawing a piece of art, painting. Okay, this is the thing, guys. Let's go back to the website real quick, okay? Guys, this is the Indiegogo site. This is where, you can find the product and back it up or get your own version. But anyway, WalkingPad S1, they've managed to hit their goal with 340,000 gringos, and they're 1,000% above their actual goal of 300,000. 12 days left, by the way, so if you're into it, let's go. You have 12 days to do that. But anyway, the video, did you guys see that 3D modeling dude? Like, what was up with that? Is he in this site? I think he was. Yeah, there it is. It's like, what is he doing? There's no way. Let me know in the comment section below or on social medias under N107 on Instagram or Twitter. Plus, I do have a Facebook if you're into that. But tell me, as a graphic designer, are you going to walk as you're drawing or playing around with your 3D models? Like, if you're watching them, I guess so. But you let me know, because I'm not an artist or a 3D modeler. This leisure kind of walking is more what I'm into. Plus, it did say it was kind of quiet. The foldable part is where it gets me. It's kind of like with, compact buildings and small apartments. Definitely, I think that is a key point on this thing. That's pretty much why you would get it, I suppose, over a normal treadmill, which is enormous. Now, the embedded fast feet sensory technology, it's where it gets interesting. It's like if you walk in the front, it'll accelerate, and then in the middle is just constant speed, and the back it decelerate. I think that on of itself is what makes it an interesting product. Minimal noise. I like how it says minimize noise pollution. Last time I checked, noise, I mean, it can be, some people consider it pollution, but I don't think so. Anyway, the dBs, it says it's 45 decibels, which honestly, it's good. Just a quick tip for you guys. If you're interested in measuring how loud some things are, you can get an app on your phones for free. Or if you have an Apple Watch, right on the spot, you can open its sound meter. And it gets interesting to see how loud some things get. But it's a little fun trick to do with your devices. And as you can see, it comes with a remote controlled by remote, by feet, or by the app. And that's cool. It apparently has a touch. The thing is touch. I forgot where in here. It's touch sensitive. There's that cool, aluminum lay, whatever. The design on the original was like aluminum metal. There it is. There's the version, like they call it the WalkingPad R1 Pro, and that one looked like it was a little more sturdy, heavier, and whatnot. So this one's a little more compact. I'm a big fan of the industrial look of the actual first one, but I mean, if it's lighter and more efficient, less noise, it even says. There's a comparative chart at the bottom. By the way, I like these. Like the fact that they screenshot these ones, I bet from their own website on their own community. And then there's this one that I think it's funny. I think it's okay to have it. I think they're keeping it real a little bit, but it says here, mine arrived, it's great, XDP delivered quickly. So it's Jonathan, by the way. What's up, Jonathan? Excellent packaging, was double boxed, blah, blah, blah. And then he says, can't get it to speed up in auto mode. So probably that, front, it's where it speeds up. Middle, it's maintains, and the back decelerates. And the handle knobs are either badly designed or faulty. Will email support. Usually companies don't grab any negative on their, input on their thingy. Or like the one we did with the Wear Buds. Wear Buds High Five, which by the way, it'll be on the little bubble on top if you're interested. You know, it's like an Apple Watch with headphones. That one had the positive / negative with a fix, sometimes not even related. For example, this one, where, you know, it's talking about the glass, but it ends up talking about the actual metal case. I thought it was hilarious. Still interested in reviewing that product, which, by the way, here, WalkingPad, if you guys are listening, Vimeo allows for higher quality videos than YouTube, okay? And you guys went for a straight up 360p video. If you need help with some technical stuff on your social media or video editing, hit me up. I can help you. I'm interested in this product, and I feel like the videos you guys have uploaded are not making it justice. So we need to improve on that one. What I'm trying to say is, get me a review unit, okay? And you're looking, guys, at the price of $470. And then, of course, you get a handle, which the original, it came with it, but this one you have to get it separately. You can detach and attach it for an extra $100. A little expensive in my opinion, but it's whatever's. And then you can get duo or trio for your spouse and your dog. So here you go. Do you have the specs? You can pause this part in this video, and while you're reading that, I invite you to come over to Twitch. I stream Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Pretty much anything, whatever the community goes for. You're more than welcome to come and say hi and ask me any questions on the products, or if you have input on which product we should review next or attempt to review, do a first impressions of, just leave it in the comment section below, social medias or Twitch. So boys and gals, that is it for today on the Indiegogo video. I invite you to hit subscribe and a like button with the bell activated so you get notified whenever the new Indiegogo videos come out. Plus today, on this recording of this video, I'll be doing the Xbox Game Pass quests, and that way we can get some prescriptions going on figuring out how to get the most points so we can redeem them for some free Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. And that way we can play it on our Android phones whenever that comes out, because iOS is acting a little naughty, but not as naughty and nasty as Epic Games. But anyhow, I'm in World 7. Thank you for coming. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you all next time. Peace.